Hi friends, let's check out how to make an expandable card, turn it into an interactive component, rig it with component props, use the image size adjuster, and we'll also do documentation in seconds with a really cool plugin. Let's check out the card that we're going to build. When we look at it right here in this view, we can see that we can toggle the device from desktop to mobile. We can also expand or collapse. We can change the title, and we can change the body copy. Let's take a look at it in presentation mode. And it has a nice animation there inside of the plus minus button. And it's a smooth ease in, ease out, and that's all built with Smart Animate. So when we start, we're gonna check out our best practices, and we're gonna be starting out with these first 4 steps. I always want my layers to be named. I wanna build atomically. I wanna build with auto layout, and images should have their own layers. That means the image shouldn't be on the background of a frame, because if I put copy on top of it, then it bakes the copy into that exported image. Let's get going. Hi friends. The video went way longer than I thought it was going to, so I broke it up into small bite-sized parts. You can see the next video right there, and if you wanted to check out some of my other content, I'd recommend my component properties playlist because a lot of that information will help you out with this playlist here. Thanks again. Bye friends.